How to improve your fertility with a healthy diet. Are you struggling to get in the mood or having trouble conceiving? The solution might be as simple as adding a few key foods to your diet. In this video, we'll be discussing how incorporating certain foods into your daily routine can have a big impact on your libido and fertility. From fermented options to high-fiber choices to an anti-inflammatory diet, we'll be sharing the foods that can help boost your sex drive and improve your chances of conceiving. If you're looking for an easy and natural way to improve your sexual health, then this video is for you. We'll be sharing practical tips and delicious recipes to help you assimilate these libido-boosting foods into your food plan. Plus, we'll be exploring the science behind how these foods support a healthy gut microbiome. So don't miss out on the chance to take control of your sexual health and start feeling your best. The relationship between gut microbiome and libido. First, let's dive deeper to understand how these tiny microorganisms impact our intimate lives. The gut microbiome is like the conductor of an orchestra, while your sexual health is the symphony it plays. Just as an orchestra can't perform at its best without a skilled conductor, your sexual health can't reach its full potential without a healthy gut microbiome. Here's how the gut microbiome and sexual health are connected. Hormone regulation. Through its intricate network of microorganisms, the gut microbiome acts as a powerful hormone regulator, including the hormones that govern our sexual health, such as testosterone and estrogen. Unhealthy gut microbiomes can throw these hormones off balance, damaging our libido and hence our fertility. However, by nurturing a healthy gut microbiome, we can achieve optimal hormone balance, resulting in heightened sexual wellness. Immune system function. Then there's the role of the gut microbiome in supporting a robust immune system, a vital component in sexual health. A healthy gut microbiome can strengthen the body's defense mechanism, protecting us from sexually transmitted infections and other illnesses that can negatively impact sexual health. In contrast, an imbalanced gut microbiome can weaken our immune system, leaving us vulnerable to a host of sexual health problems. The gut microbiome also plays an integral part in controlling inflammation within the body. Unfortunately, an imbalanced gut microbiome can cause persistent irritation, which in turn keeps our sex life at bay by decreasing libido and fertility. Fortunately, we have the ability to support our gut's well-being as well as safeguard our sexual health with these healthy foods. Now let's dive into the delicious options that will save our sex life. Fermented foods. Fermented foods, like yogurt and kimchi, are like the secret ingredient in your sexual health recipe. These foods are full of beneficial bacteria known as probiotics, which can have a powerful impact on your gut microbiome. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that I often emphasize the importance of fermented foods for one's general well-being. But did you know, fermented foods can also have a positive effect on your sexual health, both on libido and fertility. Fermented foods help improve the balance of your gut microbiome, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and reducing inflammation. Inflammation can negatively impact libido and fertility, so incorporating fermented foods into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your sexual health. So what fermented foods should you add to your diet to boost your libido and fertility? Some excellent options include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and tempeh. These fermented foods are easy to incorporate and can be enjoyed as part of a meal or as a snack. High-fiber foods. Another food group that can have a big impact on your sexual health is high-fiber foods. These foods like onions, garlic, artichokes, bananas, legumes, asparagus, chicory, and apples can be the missing piece in your puzzle for better sexual health. How so? High-fiber foods can help eliminate excess estrogen from the body. High levels of estrogen lead to a decrease in libido by decreasing testosterone levels, which is a hormone that has a role in sexual desire. Additionally, excess estrogen can disrupt the normal hormonal balance in the body, leading to irregular menstrual cycles and difficulty getting pregnant. In some cases, it can also lead to the development of uterine fibroids and endometriosis, which can further impact fertility. The key to how these foods work is through the way high-fiber foods bind to excess estrogen and then flush it out of the body through the digestive process. This process is crucial in keeping estrogen levels in check. So if you're looking to boost your libido and fertility, consider adding some high-fiber foods to your diet. Anti-inflammatory diet. An anti-inflammatory diet is a dietary pattern that emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-dense foods that are known to have anti-inflammatory properties. These foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. The goal of an anti-inflammatory diet is to reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Recent research has also shown that an anti-inflammatory diet can help to improve sexual health, particularly by boosting libido. The gut and the brain are closely connected, and the gut microbiome plays a critical role in regulating hormones and neurotransmitters that are involved in sexual desire and function. Inflammation in the gut disrupts the balance of the gut microbiome, which can negatively impact sexual health. An anti-inflammatory diet can be achieved by consuming an abundance of anti-inflammatory foods such as oily fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocado are also anti-inflammatory and help to support the gut microbiome. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are also beneficial, as they are rich in fiber and other nutrients that can help to reduce inflammation. And of course, an abundance of vegetables from all parts of the color spectrum should be included in your diet, as they are packed with antioxidants and other anti-inflammatory compounds. Avoiding processed foods. As much as what we take matters, sometimes even the foods we consume on a daily basis can have a significant impact on our sexual health. Processed foods and alcohol in particular can cause inflammation and gut imbalance, which leads to a decline in libido. Processed foods are often high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients, which can trigger inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a number of health issues including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Additionally, research has shown that a diet high in processed foods is linked to an increased risk of sexual dysfunction in both men and women. Alcohol consumption can also have a detrimental effect on sexual health. It leads to a decline in sexual desire and function by interfering with the body's hormone and neurotransmitter levels. Alcohol is known to increase the production of estrogen and decrease the production of testosterone, which leads to a decline in libido in both sexes. Additionally, alcohol is known to disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome, which can negatively impact sexual health. To support sexual health and boost libido, it's significant to reduce the consumption of processed foods and alcohol. Conclusion: the journey to better sexual health doesn't have to be complicated. By simply making a few changes to your diet, you can boost your libido and improve your overall well-being. Cutting down on processed foods and alcohol and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet will help to support your gut microbiome and improve sexual health. Don't wait any longer to take charge of your sexual health. Take action today and start incorporating these changes into your diet. And if you want to take things to the next level, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on this and other nutrition-related subjects. Thanks for watching.